Hello, educators. Welcome back to Tech Tools for Educators, where I'm here to empower your teaching journey with the latest and greatest tech tools. Today, I'll be showing you a game changer for creating stunning presentations, and the best part, it's free. Get ready to dive into the amazing world of Slides Carnival. Whether it's for a lesson, a seminar, or a school event, we all know how much impact a visually engaging presentation can have. But high quality templates often come with a price tag, right? Well, not anymore. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to access professional grade templates using Slides Carnival without spending.
Yeah, first open the browser and type the corvinal.com website name in the browser. You are able to see here the various menu options which are available. First, let me explain all templates. Here, under this four sub menus are available. Business, under the business category, these are all the options which are available for the business purpose. Here, education, the most important thing where the educators can use this particular website for downloading the stunning templates for the presentation is this is the menu. Here you are able to see there is a science menu. If you click on the science menu, all the science oriented templates you are able to see here. See, there is a chemistry template, the physics template, all are very professional way it is designed. Topic wise also you are able to get it. Okay, here there is a electricity related the template is available, magnetism related template is available, energy, transformation, renewable energy, like that, all science related templates are available. Again, if you go to the education menu, see there is a math related templates, history related, language related templates are available, and the side lessons. This is a another category under the education menu where how to design the slide. These kind of ready-made slide templates which are available, even the worksheets and the quizzes and even the posters. Now come down here, you are able to see another category of the marketing oriented templates are available, and it is mainly concentrating on medical different sectors like medical, technology oriented, infographic, nature oriented, sales, animated templates, and New Year celebration, like that, the various templates which are available under the Carnival. After selecting the different templates, another menus are available, like where I can filter out the slides based on the color. Suppose my favorite color is blue. I want to download only blue color template. Just click it on this menu and just drag it down and check out all the blue combination slides which are available with very stunning images and uh, animation is incorporated in that, and I want to make it as a different style. The one is the based on the color, another one is the style. Suppose I want to, after selecting the color, I want to make it as a very professional slides are required, or some creative slides are required. Just to go, move mouse cursor on that particular menu and we can download it, or I want only for background slides I want to use it, we can use it, or we can use very cute presentation. There is an option is available. Let me check. Just I move the cursor on the modern presentation, and here when I click it on that, just come down and check out. These are all the various slide templates which are available with a very modern way. The graphics is designed and the animation is added, and then followed by the text is also very fantastic way. The text are incorporated in the slides. After selecting the style, just come down. There is a one more filter option is available. Just click on this particular option. Are you able to see here the again color wise we can select it, and you can download the templates, then followed by different style. I have already mentioned you want a 3D animated abstract style templates are required. We can filter it out, and by industry. By industry means like advertise agency, business, consulting, education. As an educator, we should more concentrate on the education oriented templates that is also available, and the size. You want a standard size or A4 size. Generally, the most preferred size is this is 16, followed by 19. This is the most preferred size for making the presentation. Based on that, we can just let me select size and industry as a education. Let me find out how many. There are 298 different templates which are available. Just click on show result. Okay, let me select here analytics. This is oriented slide. Here I have already mentioned there are three different options are available. We can open and download in that particular template. This is the first option which is available. It is called as a Canva. This option is we can open it in the Canva application, and this is with a Google slide, and this is with a PowerPoint presentation. Most preferred template will be PowerPoint presentation. Just let me click it on that particular option with a fraction of second. That template is got downloaded, and just click it on that. Already Microsoft PowerPoint is available in your system. It will open with that and just go through the slides. Each slide is a amazing text font, then followed by the images, and only as per our requirement, just change the text. And if you require more images, we can add it, and it is a completely editable. Okay, I want to change this particular text, I can change it. I want to replace this particular image, there is an option I can replace it. Finally, it is a completely handy presentation templates. It will be available as a educator, or you are a trainer, or you are a businessman, or you want to give any kind of professional presentation. These are the very most suitable templates which are available with a very stunning templates. And most important thing is the free of cost. There is no requirement of any credit card, and there is no using our email ID, nothing. Just go to the website and you can download it. And after downloading, you can start use it.
Before we wrap up, remember to explore the different templates Slides Carnival has to offer. They frequently add new templates, so check back whenever you need fresh designs. Thanks so much for joining me on Tech Tools for Educators. I hope this tutorial helps you create eye-catching professional presentations effortlessly. Make sure to visit slidescarnival.com the next time you're planning a presentation and let your creativity shine. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new tool that can make your teaching life easier. And hey, if you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below.